A warm welcome, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Fleming Studies. Our topic is solid state. In yesterday videos, we study about what is molecular solids. Now, our next topic is ionic solid. What is ionic solid? Ionic solids are those in which constituent particles contains ions. It's clear from its name that what is ionic solid? Ionic solids are those in which constituent particles contain ions. जिसके अंदर जो constituent particles होते हैं वो क्या contain करते हैं? आयन contain करते हैं. That's we called ionic solid. Let's comes to the description. Solids in which constituent particles are ions is called ionic solid. Now, characteristics of ionic solids are electrostatic force acts on it. जो electrostatic force होता है वो act करता है इसमें क्योंकि ions present होते हैं इसके अंदर. जो ionic solids होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? hard होते हैं and brittle होते हैं in nature. वो थोड़े से hard होते हैं, brittle होते हैं. They are insulated. Why they are insulated? Due to the absence of free electrons. Due to the absence of free electrons in them, they are insulators. They have high melting and high boiling point. So now comes to the descriptions. Characteristic. Electrostatic force act on it. Hard and brittle in nature. Electrical insulator in solid. Why they are electrical insulator? They are iron, but why they are electrical insulator? Because there are absence of free electron in the ionic solids. But when ionic solid when put into the water, then they are electrical conductor. Okay. Now they have high melting and high boiling point. Let comes to our next topic, metallic solid. Metallic solid, third point of the solids. Orderly collection of positive ion surrounded by the negative ion. Orderly collection of positive ion surrounded by the negative ion and held together a sea of free electron. That is called metallic solid. Metallic solid क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव आयन जब सराउंडेड होते हैं किससे? नेगेटिव आयन से, एंड दे मेक अ सी ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन. बहुत सारे फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट होते हैं उसके अंदर. सो दे आर कॉल्ड मेटेलिक सॉलिड. एंड वी नो देयर इज अ प्रेजेंस ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो दे आर अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. नाउ कम्स टू द डिस्क्रिप्शन. ऑर्डरली कलेक्शन ऑफ पॉजिटिव आयन surrounded by negative ion and held together by a sea of free electron is called metallic insulator. Now comes to the characteristics of metallic solid. Metallic solid, high electrical and thermal conductivity. High electrical and thermal conductivity. जो metallic solid होते हैं उनकी जो इलेक्ट्रिकल और थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी होती है वो बहुत हाई होती है. वाई? ड्यू टू द फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट इन दैम. सी ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट इन दैम, सो दैट द कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ these solids are very high. They are lustrous. Metals are lustrous in nature. They are malleable and ductile in nature. They are malleable nature and of ductile nature. Now comes to the next point. Metal are also in color. So many colors are present in metal. Now comes to the next point, covalent solid. What is covalent solid? Covalent bond exists between the adjacent atom. Covalent bond present between the adjacent atom throughout the crystal. पूरे क्रिस्टल के अंदर जब कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट होगा उनके एडजेसेंट एटम में, उसको बोलते हैं कोवेलेंट सॉलिड. नाउ कम्स टू द डिस्क्रिप्शन. कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड एग्जिस्ट बिटवीन एडजेसेंट एटम throughout the crystal is known as covalent solid. Characteristics of covalent solid. कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड एग्जिस्ट करता है दो मेटल के दो एटम्स के अंदर, सो दैट their molecule are very giant. Characteristics. First, their molecules are very giant, hard and brittle. हार्ड होते हैं और ब्रिटल होते हैं. एक्सट्रीमली हाई मेल्टिंग पॉइंट. जब हार्ड होंगे और ब्रिटल होंगे तो उनका जो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट है वो भी एक्सट्रीम होगा, एक्सट्रीमली वेरी हाई. एंड दे आर ऑल्सो एन इंसुलेटर. दे आर ऑल्सो एन इंसुलेटर. Our next topic is crystal lattice. Crystal lattice. What is crystal lattice? A three-dimensional arrangement of a point in the space is called crystal lattice. Space में 3D arrangement points का क्या कहलाता है? Crystal lattice. Let's see the description. A regular 3D arrangement of point in the space is called crystal lattice. There are 14 possible crystal lattice which are called Bravais lattice. Why we named it Bravais lattice? Because Bravais is a mathematician who discovered first the lattice. What is lattice? He discovered first. So we name these lattice is Bravais lattice. Each point in the lattice is called the lattice point and lattice side. Each point in the crystal represent one constituent particles. हर एक पॉइंट क्रिस्टल का क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? वन constituent particles. Lattice point joined by the straight line bring out the geometry. Lattice एक लाइन से जुड़े होते हैं. लेटाइस पॉइंट जो होते हैं वो एक लाइन से जुड़े होते हैं. वो लाइन क्या काम करती है? एक ज्योमेट्री फॉर्म करने का काम करती है, जिससे क्या एक पर्टिकुलर ज्योमेट्री फॉर्म होती है इन द लेटाइस स्ट्रक्चर. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज यूनिट सेल, द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक of this chapter. What is unit cell? Unit cell is the smallest portion of crystal lattice which when repeated in different direction, जब हम वो जो है अगर different direction में repeat होता है, that it generate a lattice. When unit cell, जब unit cell क्या होगा? repeat होगा, repeated in different direction. अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में यूनिट सेल रिपीट होगा तो वो क्या जनरेट करेगा? एक होल एंटायर क्रिस्टल लेटाइस क्रिएट करेगा, जनरेट करेगा. ठीक है. सो लेट्स कम्स टू द एक्सप्लेनेशन. यूनिट सेल इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पोर्शन ऑफ क्रिस्टल लैटिस विच व्हेन रिपीटेड डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन जनरेट एंटायर लैटिस सेल. दिस इज अ फिगर इन दिस. The unit cell repeated in different direction and make an entire lattice. A unit cell is characterized by 6 parameters A, B and C. And angle between A, B and C is alpha, beta and gamma. See in the figure. It is made with 6 parameters A, B and C. A, B and C and make the angle between them alpha, beta and gamma. According to that, unit cell are categorized into two categories. Two different categories. First is primitive unit cell and second one is centered unit cell. What is primitive unit cell? Particle or atom are present on the corner. When the particle or atoms are present on the corners is called primitive unit cell. And in center unit cell, the particle present not only on the center, they are also present in between the lattice. जो प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल होता है वो क्या होती हैं, जब जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, पार्टिकल और एटम, तब हम उसको क्या कहते हैं, प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल. एंड व्हेन द पार्टिकल्स और एटम्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन not only the center, in between the lattice, that is called center unit cell, whether it is center in a face center or a body center. Okay, so centered unit cell are further divided into three categories. First, body centered, second, face centered, and third one is end centered unit cell. So that we will discuss in our next video. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and also waiting for your heartiest comment. And continue study with my channel, Flaming Studies.